Welcome back, kitchen enthusiasts. We're in the kitchen and we're here to help you decide which halogen oven cookers to buy today. As always, don't worry about taking any notes. All the links for the products we mention are in the description down below. Halogen ovens are meant to cook food quickly and conveniently. They combine the speed of a pressure cooker with the cooking mechanism of a standard oven. Someone else's motive for wanting a halogen oven could not be the same as yours. Maybe your regular oven isn't big enough for your needs, or maybe you don't have enough space in your kitchen for a built-in oven. Whatever your reason, this video will help you in determining which one is best for you, from size to budget to cooking speed. The team has prepared this list for you through comprehensive research. The halogen oven cookers that have been selected have been chosen based on product features, reviews in the marketplace, quality of finish and price, and where possible we have been mindful of the different types of buyers. We do suggest you stick around until the end to see who wins the #1 position on our list. Before we begin, be sure to like the video and subscribe to stay with us in the kitchen, especially if you're interested in more informational, list-related content just like this one. Remember, you can find the options to our list in the description down below, as well as timestamps to help you navigate through the video. The halogen oven cooker coming in at #5 on our list is the Wisfor Air Convection Halogen Oven. The Wisfor Air Convection Halogen Oven uses a combination of infrared and hot air to cook food quickly after it has been turned on. Simply place the food in the hot air fryer, set the time and temperature, and your ingredients will be cooked quickly and healthily. This air fryer has a glass bowl that makes cleanup a breeze. You can cook at temperatures ranging from 140 to 482 degrees Fahrenheit and for up to 60 minutes. Our team found that the air fryer will alleviate the stress of preparing meals at work while also reducing cooking time. It operates on 110 volts and can bake, roast, broil, steam, and grill a range of delicious and healthy dishes. You can also prepare a variety of foods, including chicken, steak, and fish, as well as pizza, fries, cookies, and bread. This air fryer's internal heating tube is composed of stainless steel, which is more durable than glass and less likely to break. The clear glass cooking container allows you to view the food as it cooks, allowing you to ensure that it is not overcooked or undercooked, while it provides a safe cooking environment. When compared to other types of ovens, the Wisfor air fryer oven cooks your food thoroughly and keeps it moist on the inside without the need for unnecessary oils, which might contain a lot of fat. The Wisfor air convection halogen oven is an excellent purchase and is a wonderful gift for Father's Day, Mother's Day, anniversary, or Christmas. It's no surprise that this device is ranked at #5 on our list, with features like the attractive glass bowl, 4 baking needles, dual racks, internal heating tube, and clear glass cooking container. The halogen oven cooker coming in at #4 on our list is the Sahomwell air fryer. The Sahomwell air fryer is small enough to fit on your counter or tabletop, yet big enough to feed the whole family. This countertop convection oven cooker has a large cooking glass bowl that can hold up to 18 quarts. It includes separate dials for setting the temperature, which ranges from 149 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, while you can also set the cooking time for up to 60 minutes. Our team liked the fact that its high heat and built-in fan ensures the food is properly cooked while retaining the distinct flavor of ingredients. This oven also has a cooking time of up to an hour and is ideal for meats, steaks, pigs, poultry, veggies, and more. This oven also boasts a powerful halogen heating system and a convection technology that evenly distributes heated air throughout the oven. It cooks up to 50% faster and uses up to 75% less energy than a traditional oven. Furthermore, this oven does not require additional oil in cooking, which supports a healthy lifestyle. In using this, simply set the temperature and time, and it will begin to work and activate the LED indicator. The halogen heating element is energy efficient. It's natural for the light to turn on and off in response to the temperature. The glass bowl is dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. The Sahomwell air fryer comes with a variety of features, allowing you to prepare a variety of recipes. We recommend this to busy people since this oven can cook frozen food without thawing, which saves a lot of time on the process. This is why our team put it at #4 on our list. The halogen oven cooker coming in at #3 on our list is the Big Boss air fryer. The Big Boss halogen oven is a solid oven cooker. When it comes to assembling this air fryer, the first step is to create a sturdy foundation. To do this, Big Boss includes a U-shaped plastic holder that secures the air fryer's components. Our team definitely likes this perk since it might be dangerous to have a hot glass bowl sitting directly over your countertop. This holder also extends well beyond the fryer's edges. This way, it will be less likely for someone to knock over the fryer while it is in use. You can also view your food being cooked from all angles because the entire body is made of glass. In addition, once the oven is turned on, it creates an orange glow that lights the entire room. Unlike the microwave, where you can only use specified utensils to prepare meals, the Big Boss halogen oven allows you to use any utensils, whether it's glass, bone, china, steel, melamine, or anything else. This device can also be used to air dry spices and keep them in good condition. It is without a doubt a fantastic feature that will come in handy for individuals who live in the country's tropical regions. This halogen cooker also has cleaning and sterilizing options so you can maintain your gadget's cleanliness. The Big Boss air fryer is without a doubt one of the greatest fryers on the market today. Its unrivaled capacity allows you to cook large-sized meals. Additionally, the built-in wash cycle is a useful feature, especially given the stickiness of oil-free cooking. With the mentioned features, it is with no doubt that this product deserves to be at number 3 on our list. The halogen oven cooker coming in at number 2 on our list is the NutriChef Convection Countertop Toaster Oven. It's difficult to say no to crisp, juicy rotisserie chicken, and the NutriChef Convection Countertop Toaster Oven delivers. However, the highly rated oven is capable of more than just spit roasting, so our team happily baked cookies, grilled meats, and cooked breakfast toast to put this product to the test. There are no settings on this oven, and it is operated with basic dials. One dial controls the cooking method, another controls the temperature, and the third controls the time. The removable parts of this oven, like any other cooking equipment, should be washed, and it should be heated before the first time you cook to burn off manufacturer residue. This oven's tall, slender design is fascinating, and it's even more so with chicken spinning around inside. The door's broad handle is easy to grasp, and the door is spring-loaded to close itself. The NutriChef Convection Countertop Toaster Oven is one of the best ovens in the market today. It does a remarkable job with other chores as long as the food is small enough to fit, making it an extremely versatile option. That is why it's ranked at number 2 on our list. And finally, we come to the number 1 halogen oven cooker on our list, the SANHOYA Electric Countertop Ovens Air Fryer. This innovative spray function of the SANHOYA convection oven water tank allows water to be dispersed out of the nozzle through the high temperature degreasing cooking process, keeping the ingredients fresh and juicy. It has a programmable 11-in-1 cooker, a digital touchscreen, and a cooking temperature of up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. These features allow you to easily cook a variety of foods, including crispy fries, delicious chicken wings, sweet desserts, and popcorn, as well as frozen and ready-to-eat items, seafood, chicken, and vegetables. Furthermore, this SANHOYA boasts a removable, easy-to-clean French archipel glass bowl that has high and low temperature resistance, great impact resistance, and high transparency, with the addition of a stainless steel extender ring. The capacity of this air fryer can be adjusted from 12 to 17 liters. Its capacity can accommodate 5 to 6 pounds of an entire chicken and serve 3 to 5 people. You can also use presets to do all of your cooking for the family, which keeps the ingredients fresh and juicy. This air fryer also includes a one-touch monitoring panel. Simply turn on the air fryer, choose your meal, and begin cooking. Just 3 steps to enjoy delicious, crisp food. The manufacturer of SANHOYA has one of the best and most consumer-orientated customer service you will have ever experienced. Its design makes it a wonderful touch to your kitchen and makes it stand out from other models. With its high-quality features such as a programmable 11-in-1 cooker, a digital touchscreen, and great customer service, it earns the top spot on our list. And there you have it, folks, the 5 halogen oven cookers which got our team in the kitchen excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next halogen oven cookers roundup, which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comment section below and we'll be sure to look it over for our next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We look forward to seeing you in the kitchen again soon.